Update from Delhi now. The water level of the Yamuna River crossed the danger mark as the water level rose to 205.75 meters at Delhi's old railway bridge. This as Delhi NCR has been hit by incessant rain, and after Haryana's Hatnikund barrage opened its floodgates, people residing in and around Yamuna floodplains have been advised by authorities to evacuate as the water levels continue to rise.
The water level in Yamuna has breached the danger mark, and even as we are speaking, the water level continues to increase. The current water level is measured around 206.80 meters as of 9 a.m. in the morning, and we are showing you the visuals from Yamuna Bazar from where we had reported yesterday. Today the situation is even more grim than what it was yesterday. We are showing you of houses that are completely inundated in water, and we are speaking about 4-foot deep water where everything is submerged inside, and we are showing you the visuals of how the houses are currently under water. Not just this, we are seeing that compared to 2023 when the floods had inundated most of the parts of Delhi like Rajghat, Red Fort, Yamuna Bazar, etc. We are showing you the visuals of the first area from ground zero that has been completely submerged in water, and we are also showing you the visuals of how the NDRF teams have in fact started filling the sandbags so that if the water raises more, if the water crosses the 4-foot mark of this particular dam, we can see that the water will start seeping into the city, and this will be a big problem for the government to tackle, because this is how we are seeing that the tragedy that has impacted, the disaster that has impacted Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand is in fact right now showing in Delhi NCR, and we are seeing that the Yamuna is completely flooded and all the low-lying areas are completely submerged. This is the Yamuna Bazar from where we are reporting. On ground, and we are showing the visuals of how the situation looks like around 9 a.m. today, and the water level is in fact right now increasing as we are speaking. The water level is around 206.80, which is above the danger mark, even above the threshold of evacuation, and we are seeing that this people are being rescued from the low-lying areas. All the NDRF and SDRF teams are right now committed to rescuing anyone who is stuck inside all these areas.